Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for being here. So let's still talk about timelines a bit more. You might be asking yourself, how come it is so hard for me to shift timelines? How come my situation's not improving despite everything that I am doing? We did point out in one of the videos that every decision that you make shifts you to a different timeline or aligns you with a different timeline. But most of the time, it doesn't feel like that. Okay, so let me just share something with you. I'm going to be really honest about something. Actually, I've asked this question so many times. Sometime in the past, it has been difficult for me to start the topic on timelines because of this. I've been going back and forth actually, and I didn't want to like sell a product that I didn't believe in. I didn't want to share something that it's this just like pure fantasy and make believe and something that I really did not believe in. So there is this certain situation in my life in which I felt like timelines were not shifting at all. Okay, so if you've been, let me just share this with you. So if you have been here a lot of times, you might know what I'm talking about. Um, for those who are new, there's been this ongoing problem for me and for the neighborhood actually since the beginning of 2024, and that's the reason why sometimes I would be absent from my channel for long periods of time. But because since the beginning of 2024, that's where um there were new homes being built in our place, and so there were many construction sites. The construction noise would contribute to the disturbance. Of course, you cannot really avoid that one, but it's not that was basically a complaint on my part. Something that cannot be avoided is okay. But apart from that also, a lot of the construction sites had their workers playing really loud music, blaring music. And apart from that also, the neighborhood I am in are also, I don't know, it they're full of residents who just want to play their music really loud. And what do I mean by this? It's the not the normal, it's not the normal scenario where you play or enjoy your music or not. It's not even um something that has to do with events or parties, but it's been really loud so much that even when you close the windows and the doors, the sound still penetrates. And so it has been difficult. Okay, so there. Now, lately, over the past couple of months, I have been recording if there was any day at all that wasn't happening, which that was considered a peaceful day as far as I'm concerned, something like that. So most of the time it's like that. If there were days, there were just very few, maybe one or two times a month, so something like that. And so when you look at the problem, it's still, it seems like you're living really in a place where that is a thing. Like, I don't know. I don't know why, but you know, well, in other words, it's not necessarily a normal environment if it's that frequent, almost on a daily basis that happens, something like that. So I have been thinking maybe I should try to shift this timeline first before I talk about timelines. And so at the moment while I'm recording this, that is still a thing. Okay, so it might seem like I haven't shifted timelines at all despite everything that I tried to do to help solve the problem, something like that. So there, I won't go into the details of sometimes like talking to people, and then they won't listen, stuff like that. So there. So when you look at it from a general perspective, it seems like nothing's been changing. But then one time I sat with myself, and I tried to look at the details of this thing that has been going on since the beginning of 2024. And I found out that I was actually there were actually a lot of improvements already. So this one started out, would you believe, there were 3 new construction sites right below our bedroom windows in here, and the workers would be playing their music really really loud from, let's say, as early as 5 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then after that, they would like have some drinks and engage in boisterous conversation, and there would even be karaoke playing. So they would really be singing at the top of their lungs using a microphone, something like that. It was really really bad at that time. Looking back, it's not like that now, because some of the homes were already built. Some stopped construction. I don't know why, for what reason, but it was favorable for us. So I think there was also an interplay of, the forces of heaven also trying to, have pity on, on people who were really having a difficult time with that sort of problem. And then from that time on to this time, there were those who, there were those who used to be playing their their music or media loud, not just construction workers, even residents, a lot of residents around here, they would be playing very often. Some of them don't play their music that often anymore, and some would do so but at a lesser volume, something like that. But just thinking that, there's I've been counting one time how many sources of that kind of disturbance there are here. As of now, there are around 20 sources of that kind of disturbance, and so the probability or the possibility that that wouldn't happen is really very slim. But what I'm trying to say in here is that a lot of things have improved already, and at the start, really, even my health was failing, because there was hardly any peace, and not just me, even some of the residents in here, the others just fled already, something like that. But then there, I wasn't able to move much, and I couldn't plan much when it comes to personal goals, things like that. And if you've noticed, if you've been long here already, like, I had moments of not posting, like it went on for months or even a year, something like that. So actually, from a general perspective, things might not seem to be moving, or you feel like you're not shifting timelines, but actually you are. So my conclusion up until this point is that I have already actually been shifting timelines, so many timelines already. So I'm glad I'm not back in square one. Now, you might want to think about it also for a moment, how things have been from the very start up until now. How you have changed, or how even some of the other people around you have changed, things like that. Now I feel I'm more capable. I feel I can do a little bit more, even if sometimes there's still, it still happens. It still happens really bad, and stuff like that. So if you feel like you're not shifting timelines, best believe you are. You just continue. Just continue, persist, and just like we have learned, like every decision you make aligns you with the place where you want to go. And so good luck when it comes to that. Actually, things are working for you. If I found that things have been working for me, then they are definitely working for you too. So there. Okay, so that's all for now. I have to go somewhere. This is just me, Alvi, saying find your strength, find your peace, respect each other, and stay with God whatever you conceive Him to be. He loves you so much. Oh, yeah, something that I forgot to point out is that wherever timeline you are, let's just be real. Let's just be real about these things. Like, people still exercise their free will. So that's something that we cannot control. At the same time, also, spiritual warfare is also real. At one point, I really just discovered that like the enemy is behind all of this somehow. If you're working towards something, you're being pulled down. And at the same time, also, karma is real and heaven is real and heaven's forces are real. So there. So I wish you good luck and God bless in your timelines. And also work with the forces of heaven. They're working very actively right now. Okay? So that's all. Until next time. Take care.